All right, so let's get started. So my hair is completely damp, as you can see on my t-shirt. I'm gonna go ahead and first start off by combing my hair out, making sure I have all the tangles removed. And when I use this denim brush, I like it because it kind of helps clump up the curls together. So it just allows for a better curl pattern when I am doing my hair. Okay, you guys, I'm only going to be doing 2 sections of a parting here. I don't do crazy sections as far as 3 or 4 or whatnot. 2 is enough for me. I'm going to go ahead and recomb the bottom section just to make sure there is no tangles on the bottom. And like I said, once you use this denim brush, it really does help the curl pattern. I'm going to apply a little bit of that Hask Argan Oil. I only use very little because I notice that if I use too much and when I apply my styling cream, it kind of feels a little yucky. So if I need to add more, I can do so at the very end. Look at that length. My hair has grown so much. I'm just like blown away sometimes when I see the length of my hair. It's like, wow, it's actually finally starting to grow. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of Cantu. You want to work your way up with this Cantu. I noticed when I first used it, I hated it because it just felt yucky. But then I noticed I was using way too much. So I cut back and I use very little like I showed you guys. And next, this is optional and I'm just showing you guys for the sake of the video. I do not finger coil my hair. My hair is too long. I do not have the time to do all that, but for the sake of this video, I decided I will show you guys, and I'm only going to do a few sections on the bottom and then I'll do a few sections on the top as well, just to show you guys how my curls could look or how my curls will look when I finger coil. I mean, I get pretty much very close to the same curl pattern when I finger coil. So I'm just showing you guys a little bit so when my hair is dry, you guys can see how it looks. So now I'm going to go ahead and work my way on the top section. My hair is still very dripping wet. I apply all my products on dripping wet hair, and I'm going to go ahead and comb it through, and then I will get my denim brush and just rebrush it as well. So now on the top section of my hair, I will add a little bit more styling cream because I do have a lot of flyaway. My hair is growing, so I have a lot of baby hair coming in. So I want to make sure that we get those tamed as much as possible. Of course, you know, once I apply my styling cream, after applying my argan oil, I do scrunch. I really scrunch away, and then I kind of flip my hair to whichever way I'm wanting it to sit for that day. But as you guys can see, my hair is literally almost to my waist. My hair was to my waist before I chopped it a few years ago, so I'm very excited about that. So when I say I'm going to finger coil, I'm only going to do the sides of my face. I'm not going to do the back of my hair because my curls really do curl pretty nice. I'm only going to finger coil in the front. My hair is so long, it would take me forever to finger coil my hair if I were to do my entire hair, and I do not. I refuse to do that. I do not have the time to do that because I only get 2-3 days out of my hair max. I can't. I just can't get 6-7 days. I just don't like the feeling of me not washing my hair. Kudos to those who can. I can't. So this is how I do it. I grab it from the base. I grab it from the tip because it helps with tangles. And then I start finger coiling and then I let it go once I get to the midsection. I'll do it again from the base all the way to the tip. Start finger coiling in and then just release it and then all the way down. That I found that to have been very helpful for me because sometimes when I do finger coil my curls, my hair gets tangled and then I have to restart and brush. So that's the easiest method for me with my long hair is grabbing it from the base and then the tip and then kind of slowly releasing the tip once I get to the midsection of that hair. Okay, you see, grab it from the base, grab it from the tips, twirl, let it go, and boom, look at how nice that curl just sits. That's going to be a big clumpy curl, but that's okay. I just kind of separate it once my hair is dried. Just makes it so much easier instead of doing tiny sections of finger coiling my curls. Okay, and so once I'm done, as you see, I didn't do much of a section of finger coiling. I will go ahead and flip my hair over and scrunch some more. I do this quite a few times before I feel satisfied. And then I will get a t-shirt and then scrunch out the excess water and products that I do have in my hair. You guys, my hair is growing, yay! So that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and wait 15-20 minutes before I continue to dry my hair, before I diffuse it. I do use a strainer. I have used this strainer for years. I love it much more than diffusing with your attachment to your blow dryer, because this allows for your curls to sit in there without moving or flying away as you're diffusing. It allows for the curls to keep their curl pattern in the strainer sitting there. The air does blow through it, and then you're allowed to get a lot more hair into that strainer to dry it. I love this method. Like, I will not go to your diffuser attachment to diffuse your hair. I will not. I love this method. I do. 2 hours later. I feel like from that SpongeBob section, like, literally it takes me forever to blow dry and diffuse my hair. So I will be here diffusing my hair for like the next 2 years. So don't mind me. Okay, look, we are finally getting somewhere. My hair is maybe 40 to 50% dried, and it's looking pretty good. Maybe about 50-60%. Look at that length. My curls are really clumped together because I did finger coil big sections, but like I said, I will break those and separate those, and once my hair is completely dried. But boy, this is a lot of work. But it is so rewarding. Look at how beautiful my hair is. I just love it. It is a lot of work, but I would not exchange it or trade it for the world. I love, love my hair. My hair feels so soft and it's bouncy. Like, I can just do this all day. So once I'm done drying and diffusing, boom, this is what I get. I went ahead and did my makeup. And got changed, because there's no way I can do my makeup and diffuse at the same time, because my makeup would be like runny, because I would be so hot from diffusing. So my curls are really nice. They're sitting pretty. I apologize that my room is so dark. I'm going to really try to do something about my lighting in my room. I've actually was playing with it, and I'm just like, I can't get it right. But this is the final results. My curls are cute. I have so much volume. This is a section for me finger coiling. You'll see that front section there on the right and left hand side. I still need to separate those curls. I have not yet separated them. So they're very big, clumpy curls. But as you see the rest of my hair, I have pretty much the same curl pattern. So I don't have to necessarily finger coil my entire hair. I only do a few sections where it's going to be just right. It's going to be visual right when you see me, which is in the front sections of my face. Now let me just go ahead and just show you guys the full work here, because it did take me quite a few hours. No, I'm not gonna say a few hours, but it took me some time to perfect this here for you guys. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video. I will do best on my next one on the lighting, but for the most part, this is my curls. It's very voluminous. I still have to fluff my hair out a little bit more. I still have to dry my hair just a little bit. It's still not completely dried, but I have length. As you see, my hair is long and has gotten longer, and I didn't realize how long my hair was getting until I actually do my hair, and wow, I'm in love. It's very soft. I only use just those two products, nothing else. My curl pattern is very pretty. It's very intact. I don't have a lot of frizz, but with me messing with my hair, I'm gonna have frizz like nobody's business by the end of the day. So this is the final results here. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions on anything else, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day and stay blessed.